If you hate soggy dish mats that stay wet all day and leave your counter looking messy, then you're going to love this upgrade. Hey guys, I'm Rebecca with WTI, and let me tell you why I love these stone dish mats from Natureva. I have these dish mats in both the slate and graphite colors, and it's made such a big difference in my kitchen. Instead of dealing with puddles on my countertops or a soggy fabric drying mat, this stone mat absorbs water incredibly quickly and dries super fast. It helps keep my sink area clean and dry. I also love the design. It's so beautiful and modern. It doesn't just do its job, it actually adds such a stylish touch to my kitchen and blends in beautifully with my decor. And it not only comes with the mat, but it also comes with a sanding tool, which is perfect to remove stains with. It also comes with screw-on legs and non-slip pads. So because it comes with everything I need, it makes it so easy for me to install it and use it right away. What really stood out to me is how something as simple as a dish mat has made my kitchen feel cleaner, more organized, and a little more elevated every day. And that's just my point of view.